Kalki Movie Explained, 2024. Title: Kalki. Director: Prashanth Verma. Starring: Rajasekhar, Ada Sharma, Nandita Swetha, Ashutosh Rana. Genre: action, thriller. Language: Telugu. Release year: 2019. Plot summary: Kalki is a gripping action thriller set in the 1980s in the fictional village of Kolhapur. The film opens with the murder of Sekhar Babu, a former Naxalite turned revolutionary leader. His death sparks an intense investigation led by Inspector Kalki, Rajasekhar, a tough and intelligent police officer. Key characters: Inspector Kalki, the protagonist, a sharp and relentless police officer. Sekhar Babu, the murdered revolutionary whose death initiates the investigation. Devadatta, a journalist who assists Kalki in unraveling the mystery. S.I. Rajareddy, Kalki's colleague who helps in the investigation. Narasimha Reddy, an influential figure in the village with a complex past and numerous secrets. Themes and elements: mystery and thriller. The core of Kalki is the murder mystery of Sekhar Babu. As Kalki delves deeper, he unearths a complex web of political intrigue, corruption, and personal vendettas. The film maintains a high level of suspense, with well-placed twists that keep the audience guessing. Political intrigue. Set against the backdrop of 1980s rural India, the film explores the socio-political dynamics of the village. Issues like feudalism, Naxalism, and power struggles are central to the narrative, adding layers of complexity to the plot. Action. Kalki features intense and well-choreographed action sequences. Rajasekhar's portrayal of Kalki is compelling, with action scenes that highlight his physical prowess and add excitement to the film. Cinematography and setting. The film is visually impressive, capturing the essence of the 1980s with authentic set designs, costumes, and props. The cinematography enhances the mood and setting, making the period setting believable and immersive. Climax and resolution. As the investigation progresses, Kalki uncovers the hidden truths about Sekhar Babu's past and the real motives behind his murder. The climax reveals the true antagonist and the underlying reasons for the ongoing power dynamics in the village. Kalki's strategic thinking and determination ultimately bring justice, tying up the narrative threads and resolving the central mystery. Ending. The film concludes with Kalki restoring a semblance of order and justice in the village. However, it also leaves a subtle message about the cyclical nature of power and corruption, hinting at potential future conflicts. Analysis and impact. Character development. Rajasekhar's character, Inspector Kalki, is well developed, showcasing his transformation from a determined officer to someone who uncovers deep-seated corruption and complex human motives. The supporting characters, especially Devadatta and Narasimha Reddy, are also given significant depth, contributing to the narrative. Social commentary. Kalki provides commentary on the political and social issues of the time, highlighting the struggles between revolutionary ideologies and entrenched feudal systems. The film also touches on themes of justice, power, and morality. Cinematic techniques. Prashanth Verma's direction is noteworthy for its tight narrative and effective use of nonlinear storytelling. The film's pacing, coupled with suspenseful music and strategic cinematography, keeps the audience engaged. Conclusion. Kalki is a well-crafted action thriller that successfully combines mystery, political intrigue, and action. The film's strong performances, especially by Rajasekhar, and its intricate plot make it a standout in its genre. It's not just a film about solving a murder. It's a deeper exploration of power, corruption, and the human condition in a specific socio-political context. For more details, you can visit IMDb and Wikipedia. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Share with your friends and leave a comment below with your thoughts.